Hi guys, we have today with us Shilekha. Shilekha, you're from IIM Calcutta. Today we want to understand the placement process, summer placement process at IIM Calcutta. In general, mainly talking about your interview experience. So your life at IIM Calcutta, all those things, because the most of students who are watching this video are aspiring to become an MBA, and you are for them as a role model. कि भाई एक बार मेहनत कर लो. Once you do the hard work, you can join the college like her and maybe work like you. So the first question I want to ask you is about that about the interview process. Summer placement process is same across all the IIMs, or your college is being the top college have a separate process?
Um, it's like we are not so aware about the placement process in other colleges. It's like up to depends upon the company, depends upon the college, like how to conduct these interviews. So even in my college, the interview process was has followed like all the following the placement norms and everything. And coming to my interview for my internship, I was interviewed for a telecom company, and initially I was so nervous for the interview, but our college really helped us with all the prep activities, motivated us, and also we had good support from our seniors where uh, we got help for interviews, for personal questions, and for all the mock interviews, mock GDs. So we got a lot of exposure from our seniors actually from our college. So that's really helped me in cracking those interviews. And also for marketing intern, answering personal questions are very important. And I must say that I got a good training from my seniors to answer that, and I uh, got many inputs to tweak my answers such that it really showcased who I am in a proper way.
Superb, superb, great, great, great. And we are also launching this program. In fact, today is the last day to apply for the IIM Calcutta event. And can you tell us more about the event and how this event is going to help me in the placement or in the admission process or do the interviews at IIMs?
Yeah, sure. So this event is conducted by Health Prize IIM Calcutta. So we are an on-campus club from main Health Prize Foundation. So Health Prize Foundation main event is to award social entrepreneur startup which helps in the social causes, and its flagship event, the award for that is $1 million. So that's a huge award, like a Nobel Prize for students it's called as, and we are an on-campus program for it. And so the present event which we are talking about is the Ace the Case event of Health Prize IIM Calcutta. And coming to the event, the first session is about a panel discussion, like it's for all the budding entrepreneurs, like who wants to know about entrepreneurs and how the mind, like inside mind of entrepreneurs, so they can understand how to go about startups, how pandemic affected these startups. So all these things will have the discussion in the first session. And the second session is about workshop. It's the most exciting for participants, for MBA aspirants as well as current MBA students, because it's taken by speakers who have already won many national case competitions like Bajaj Off-Road, Mahindra Rise, Microsoft PM Challenge, and Asian Paints, and many more. So this session is conducted by these speakers, and they tell you how to approach case studies, how to structure it in a proper way such that you can convey all the important points. So like this case study is a session 2, and the last one we even give you a small case so that you can like after learning you can implement those ideas, and you can participate in the case competition, and it will be evaluated by the jury. And you will be able to present, you have to even present the case, like top 5 teams will present the solution.
Superb. Okay, now I have the question because this is a question asked to me by everyone who is going to participate is इसका वैल्यू क्या है, ये करके मुझे क्या मिलेगा, ये करके व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस. सो विल आई गेट टू आई एम कैलकाटा आफ्टर दिस थिंग? अरे नहीं रे बाबा, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर participation. So once you are joined, see, anyone who get a call have a equal knowledge. Anyone who get the call from IIMs have got a, I would say ki equal base. Now whoever is performed better in these kind of extracurricular events, he have a better chance to convert. Of course, end of the day, see, I normally compare कि यार तुम्हारा 3 साल का 4 साल का degree you have done engineering BMS that have no value today. Then what is the value of this certificate? So, but these are the certificate you should have on the resume, and especially if they're coming from from big brand like IIM Calcutta, so they will add value to the resume. That's why I normally recommend to participate as much as you can. That's what my advice. What is your take on this?
So surely this case competition will give you a whole view of how actually case competitions work and how to prepare for them. Also, if you are so consult enthusiast, then case comms is a must for all the consult enthusiasts. So this will also give you opportunity to meet with a diverse culture from diverse background domains. Like this is an international event where you will meet with people of various colleges from various backgrounds. So this will give you opportunity to meet with
Yes.
Yes. So this case competition will really help you to solve the real life business problems, and not just for MBA prep, but it also helps you in your MBA life and also post MBA. So case comms are really important, even in future, like when you are in a high position in corporate life. Then also these type of situations will arise, and this will give you a proper structured way of thinking uh, to solve those problems. So
Right.
this session
Right.
really inculcate all those in you. Yeah.
I normally say we are going to use case studies in four places. Number one, during your MBA entrance exams, everywhere, most of the colleges now giving a case to solve. Number two, you are going to solve it during the summer internship. Number three, during the college, most of the MBA colleges now have a case study based approach. So you need to understand these kind of cases. Number four, during the final placement as well, case study is going to be the case study is going to be a part of your life going forward. So you can't get away from that. Let it be a McKinsey case, let it be any company case.
Yeah.
HBR is all part of life. And I think that's a better way to learn. See, I normally say that now 3 years
Right.
I studied induction motor all night. Okay, induction motor start kaise hota hai? We don't know that how the induction motor starts. So same way, I think the Indian education system is same way that we are studying, but we still don't know how the corporate works. But case study based way is more of a practical way to understand things. I think even engineering college should have that approach now going forward. Move everything toward the case study, real life problems, because we are becoming a theoretical engineer. Jabki engineering is more about practicality than being theoretical. Anyway, superb. So, and will everyone get a certificate for this event? How the event going to work?
Yes. Yes, everyone is going to get a participation certificate, and the registration fee for this event is 250. And although like most of the proceedings from this registration fee will go to Unnati. It's a flagship event of INCA, which is a club of IIM Calcutta, and Unnati works for underprivileged education. It works for education to underprivileged children. So all these proceedings will go there.
Superb, superb, great. So, guys, in case you want to participate, and because it's a big brand name coming from I'm Calcutta, I'm Bangalore, all these kind of events, I think you should participate. Most of you might have done a lot of events in college days, engineering, may BMS, BCom, you might have done, but that is engineering level. This is at the IM level, and if you are going to get into IMs, a certificate like this will definitely help you on the resume. I think that's very, very important to participate. And that's why I normally affect with those events where they're giving a free certificate to everyone, because not everyone can win. Yeah, obviously 5 or 10 people can win, but at least a participatory certificate will on the resume will also a good strategy for those who can't win a contest or those who don't want to participate with a very serious note to win point of view. So I think that these kind of things will help. Okay, great. So coming back to your internship again. So can you once you joined the college, joined the company? What was your profile looking like at that time?
Like compared to the other co-interns.
In your, you can just give your example, and then we'll compare in case we want to compare. We'll compare. What was your role
Okay,
at the
so
company?
okay, so my role was as a marketing intern, and previously I didn't have any marketing experience, but it's just the 1 year of MBA courses where we have even included marketing courses. So and also we prepared a lot for our summer placements where we have went in detail about all the frameworks in a which we need for a marketing role. So all these helped me in approaching my problems and uh, in solving these my internship problems. Also a good mentorship from my buddies and also from my mentors, my guides, my managers. All these helped me in my internship throughout. So it's a marketing intern, and it was in a partnership domain.
Superb. And I want to know one thing. I want to know Ulta now. Like everyone might ask you what how COVID have changed everything and that. I want to know what problem you faced during your summer internship because of COVID. Of course, everything won't be that smooth.
Yeah, so because of COVID, we missed interacting personally. That's the main thing. If it was not COVID and it's a normal case, we would have been in Bombay interacting with all the friends, doing masti celebrations, all these things, which is what we missed a lot. And the other thing is like a personal interaction there with the company members would impact a lot. But my company made sure ki we interacted with topmost people like CEO, CMO, CHRO. So that one was really exciting in my internship. Apart from that, uh, also like when we talk with someone personally and spend some time, then only we can understand in depth of what company does in other aspects, and how the other co-interns are feeling. So I think even that was one which I missed in this pandemic thing.
Right, superb, great, great. That's why I think the main concern here, the peer-to-peer learning is one thing which everyone is missing. Apart from that, everything is same. Even see, I normally say, even if you are doing a live internship, तुम्हें फिर भी कंप्यूटर पे काम करना है. It's not like you have to do physically go and change something on this earth. Everything is done on computer only. So the only thing which I'm missing is the physical interaction. Otherwise, everything is same. The work is everything online anyways. Superb,
Yeah,
great.
so it's like whenever you get a problem, you just discuss it with someone and you get an idea from other person also. But here in this online one, you have to see whom to ping, how to like interact.
How to approach?
That's a
Right,
problem
true,
here.
true,
Yeah.
true, true, true. Superb. So thank you, yeah, thank you, Lekha. Thank you very much and coming and talking to us. And all the best.
Yeah,
Hopefully,
thank you
get
so
a
much for
PTO as well.
inviting.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much for your wishes.